Hi guys, welcome back to Scratch Master, and today we're gonna make a easiest game, and it's gonna be Dot and Ben. So let's click on create here. If you're logged in, then you can see all this, the backpack and stuff. In this video, we're gonna use this backpack and show you what you can do. You can put your code in the backpack too. So first, let's get moving. So the first thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna hover on choose a sprite, and when you hover on it, it will show you these stuff. Okay, so when I click on this, I'll go in animals. You can choose anything you want here. So I'm just gonna choose the dog. You can go back in sprites, and I'm just gonna choose Ben. So let's put Ben here, and I want Ben to catch the dog, and the dog is saying, no, I don't want you to catch me. Okay, so we're gonna go in backdrop, and when we go in backdrop, it'll show me the stuff. So when I go in backdrop, it'll show me all of this, and so it'll show me like the backdrops and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go in underwater 2, underwater 1, I mean, and then we're gonna code Dot first. So we want Dot to go in a random position of X and or Y, but we don't want Y because Y makes the dog go up. We want the dog to go like X, so it can go sideways. So we're gonna make him have a moves forward step. We want him to have we want him to go into a random position, so he can not like a random but almost. So what we need is that we need to move forward 10 steps. So you'll see the dog. It'll move like this. You're seeing that, right? But now you can see what is this going. So we're gonna go in control, and we're gonna have a repeat command block, and go to events and get a one-click block, and looks, you'll see how low. And what you're gonna type in here is that you're gonna type in no. So you can choose anything. No, I'll put exclamation mark there. And he'll say no for 2 seconds. And then I'll go back in events. That's cool. And when we go in back in villains, you'll see that he's gonna move like this now. And as we say, no. So what he should do is that when he moves, he not say no. So if you want him to do that, we can easily put say no into there. So when it does that, it'll just. We want this in a forever loop, so we don't need to click on it. So let's take this out and put a forever loop. A if then loop is that it's like our friend to us and pretty simple. So on Scratch Master, if operators are really important too. So in Scratch Master code, we if then blocks and operators variables are really important to us because they are code, really comfortable codes in Scratch Master code. And for example, I'm just gonna take a pick random from 1 to 10. Look what happens. So when he picks random from 1 to 10, it makes him, so this, for example, this is 1. So example, how can I say? For example, maybe this chord is 1 and this chord is 10. If I put I don't know. So you can ask your mom or dad for this. So you can see that the dog is going in a forever loop, right? So we want him to say no for the whole time. No. No, but we need the same thing to do with the same speed with Ben. So we can have much better. So we're going to just stop this code. And it'll go on. Let me go to dot. I think I'm just going to take this. So I'm going to go in another scratch. And when I open that, I can see the ice cream studio code. And I don't want this guy. I want, for example, this guy. Or, yeah, this guy. I'll go in the remix and you'll see something that will be awesome. So when we do that, we can just do some thumb here. We're gonna open our backpack. We can put our code in it too. So we're gonna take this in his code. We're gonna take this in his code. And also, we're gonna take this in his code. It'll take this ice cream into his code. So let's close this and open it in ours. So you'll see that John's code. You'll see this. Okay. You'll see this. You're gonna see this. And also you're gonna see this. So I'm just gonna delete off this. It's because we can, instead of code, we can just go back here, ice cream creator. We can open our backpack and let me delete this stuff. We're gonna take his ice cream, and don't worry if you made this, your ice cream will still be there. See, your ice cream will be there. When I close my backpack, open there. If I put my backpack up, it'll not be there, so I'll just refresh my backpack by closing it and opening it again. So there it is. Let's put our there, and when I run my code, you'll see this. Okay. So now let me So you're gonna hear that very stats song. I love it. We're gonna make this maybe at 30. Yeah, that looks like a real ice cream, right? So he wants that ice cream because he's looking at it. Look at that. We want Ben to walk too. Well, it's okay for Ben, but just a picture looks like. So I'm just gonna put this in there. And put that move steps for every loop. Yeah, I'm just going to put that there. And we're going to put this there. So when that is clicked, you'll see it'll move like that. So now we're going to give it a name. We're going to maybe name it as Ben. Oh, that's Ben. So Ben, B-N dot. Ben and dot. So when we're naming it, we can click on share. And then you can give it instructions. How do you move the projects? It's really easy. I'm just gonna give a notes and credits. I took hard work, so hard work for a while. I'll just take away this thing and put it as a. Oh, what? Took it for a while to make this. And then pretty easy. Code. Make sure your parents should do this. I'm just gonna do it. Code is easy. Easy. Oh my god. Code is like fun. Well, it is fun for me because we put lots of detail in the fan. What's wrong with my keyboard? Fun. Okay. So now we're gonna see how much comments you can just trick those people that what I did. I can just put cool and just lots of exclamation marks and post. And there you go. Your comments are going to come there. I'll see you guys in the next scratch. And scratch on.